co-founder of 10kids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. So today I am here with another very amazing video, and today we are gonna continue C++ conditions. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so I minimized my screen. Wait. Okay, it is full already. So C++ else. We had done the if statement, so let's get on to the else statement. The else statement. Use the else statement to specify a block of code to be executed if the condition is false. It's saying you use the else condition. It goes inside the else statement. If this condition is wrong, then it would automatically if we take an example, what example should I take? Wait, what's here? Oh, what is it? Actually, this just came out. This has to be like this. It came like this, so I'm doing it fast. Okay, so let's take the example of 5 and 2. So we know that 5 is greater than 2. But if in the if statement we have written y is greater than x, but that is false, then it should have a statement now to print what should come if it's the wrong one. So this is the else statement when you use. Now else statement inside you won't write a condition. It would take the correct condition on its own and just run what's written over here. Okay. So here is an example. Ooh. So let's see that term. So we are making a variable time and assigning its value 20. Then we are doing if time less than 18. No, 20 is not less than 18. 18 is less than 20, right? So it won't get inside the if statement. But here we have given an else statement. So now in the else statement, as I told you, it would take the correct condition which we put over here. Instead of writing here like the if statement, it would just take the right condition and just print. So see out good evening. So what do you think is the output? Is it good day or is it good evening? You got it correct. It is good evening because 20 is greater than 18. But here it's written 18 is greater than 20. Wrong. So we want the correct statement. So this is the example. This example is explained. It's saying that time's value is 20 and 20 is greater than 18. So the condition is false. It's saying but time, this variable's value is 20, but here the condition is false. Because of this, we move on to the else statement. Because the condition, I'm telling you, because this condition is wrong, we are going to the else statement and prints to the screen good evening. If the time was less than 18, it would have printed good day. It's saying now because there is else statement, so it is printing good evening. But If we are done 18 is less than 20, this condition would be true and it would have print good day. Okay, it's the next exercise. Okay, so we have learned the if and the else. Now there's an else if statement which you must know because we have done the if else statement in this Python. Just it is different. It's just writing is different. We say if else in Python, but in C++ we say else if. Okay, so we use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is true. So basically, the condition else if is used if our if condition is false. So it goes inside the else if condition. Now it sees if else if condition is true or false. If the else if condition is true, it would print what is inside the else if statement. But if the first two conditions are wrong, then it would print the else whatever is written. So let's learn it more from an example. Now here it's done. We are making a variable time and assigning it the value 22. Then we're doing time less than 10. But no! Time is not less than 10 because 22 is not less than 10. 10 is less than 22, right, guys? So, this if the condition is false, so it goes inside the else if statement. It is time less than 20. No! False, because 22 is the time and 22 is greater than 20, guys. So this condition is also false. So it goes inside the else statement and says okay 22, and then just it knows that it's 22 is equals it 10 is less than 22. So that is why it's printing good evening. Okay, so this full is explained. I just told you, but let's just read it. In the example above, I'll get water for myself. It's right there. 1 second. Okay, so where was I? So it's saying in the example above, time 22 is greater than 10. Yeah, 22 is greater than 10. 10, 10. So the first condition is false. The next condition in the if else statement is also false. So we move on to the else condition. Since condition 1 and condition 2 is both false, so we see good evening to the screen. However, if the time was 14, our program would have printed a good day. Yeah, it's we just saw. I just told you. Let's see. It's saying if we had written here, if times value must be 14, then let's see. Then time is less than 20. Yeah, I mean for what you say. Wait. Yeah, time is less than 10. False. But now, else if inside the else if statement, if our times value must be 14, then yeah, 14 is less than 20. So it has printed good day. Sorry. It must have printed. Okay, so this is our shorthand if else ternary operator. One second. Now this is also if else, but it's in a shorthand. We all guys know that the less thicker, the better you are. So let's learn how to do shorthand if else ternary operator. There is also a shorthand if else which is known as a ternary operator. So it's saying if we there is also a shorthand that we can write all this in short, that full code in short, and that is known as the ternary operator because it consists of three operands. It can be used to replace multiple lines of code with a single line. It is often used to replace simple if-else statements. So let's see the syntax. So we make a variable and give the condition. Expression of true and expression of false. So it's saying instead of writing this full code, big code, we can just simply write it like this. So now let's see an example. So we are making a variable time is equals to 20. Then you are doing another variable result. Here first saw here that we had to give the condition. So first we are giving this condition in bracket. Time is less than 18. False. This is false. Time is less than 18. Wait. This is false. So then we are writing, it's saying here give the expression true. So if this statement was true, it would print good day. But here this expression, this condition is false. This condition is false, right? So here we are giving what it should print if it it is the false condition. So we are getting good evening. So now let's go back to the if if and let's just do the try it exercises because remember we had left them because before we didn't do all the chapters. So let's do print hello if x is greater than y. So it's telling us to use the if statement. And it's telling print hello world if x is greater than y. Let's just see. X is 50, y is 10. So we know how to write the greater than sign. It's like this. Oops, sorry. Oh my god, why did I do it like that? I'm sorry guys, I just pressed the wrong button. Yeah, so that was the greater than sign. Sorry. Okay. So the next is print hello world if x is equal to y. So we know that we have to write the if statement. But remember when we did the if statement, if we wanted to do the equals to, we had given the double equals to. Now let's just revise it again. Why are we giving double equals to? We are giving double equals to because 1 equals to is also used to assign a variable's value. So sometimes it can get an error. So C++ has done that so that we should avoid an error and it's more better. We will give double equals to when we want to check if a value is equals to the other value. So yes, this is also correct. Sorry. Ooh, print yes if x is equal to y, otherwise print no. Okay, so let's see. It would Now we will first give the if statement, of course, and we just learned if we want to see the equals to, then we will give double equals to. The reason is because if we give 1 equals to, it might get an error sometimes, because it will, because 1 equals to is also used for assigning values. So assigning values of a variable. So that's why we are giving double equals to. Now here, what do you think would come? The else or the else if? Yeah, the else. First reason is that there's not much space here. Well, if it was like that, if there was nothing like this, then the else statement, because it's saying otherwise print no, it's not that thing. For then try doing with this, and then do otherwise print no. So that's why we are getting to know that it is else. Okay, our next exercise. Now this is what we are doing. Print 1 if x is equals to y. Okay, so we know we are giving the if statement, then we are giving the equals to sign. Now print 2 if x is greater than y. Now here there's another condition. So we know that here we'll use the else if, right? That's what I was trying to make you understand. And greater than. Okay, so x is greater than y. So this is the sign. I won't do it wrong again. Naughty people. Otherwise, print 3. So we obviously know what condition will come. It is the else condition. The last exercise, I bet you it would be shorthand. If else. Oops. Shorthand if else. It would be. I guarantee you. Oh my god, I didn't believe it. It is shorthand if else condition. Oh my god. Insert the missing parts to complete the following shorthand if else statement. Ternary operator. So let's see. So we are doing time is equals to 20. String result is equals to. Now first we had to give the condition. So this is the condition. Now we will write. So we had learned that we write the condition in the brackets. Then we do here. Now we do. I'm getting a bit. Wait. 1 second. I'm just trying this. Okay, 1 second. It must be distant. Wait. What the? Okay. Okay. Sorry, I was getting a bit confused. Now let's see why did we. Now I will also revise it again. See, guys, we give always the condition in the brackets, okay? Then we are giving this in a question mark. Now we are doing a question mark. It is for that, is it good day or is it good evening? So that is why we are giving the question mark. Now here we are giving this colon to separate these. Okay. So now we are good. Sorry guys, that was a bit mistake, because I was also a bit like because this was a bit, yeah, but now we learned. Oh my god, we are already done. Didn't you have fun? I did. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Dab 1 and 2 and 3 and snap.